So, Geoff, I know you've been at LK Metrology for a long time. Tell the viewers at home actually how long you've been here.
Well, I've been here for 35 years in June, and before that I was operating and programming an LK machine for 2.5 years.
Okay, so that's a really, really long time. I'm going to talk to you today about support that LK offer. So what kind of support does LK Metrology offer?
Well, we offer support via the telephone or support via email. Customers who have warranties or are within a service contract, they can ring our help desk and get straight through to an engineer who will help them as best they can.
So, Geoff, Aftercare is a huge part of sales and support for customers. So how do you keep these customers happy?
Well, to start with, we try and do the best training that we can. If they've got programming problems, they can even send us drawings, CAD models, and we will try and point them in the right direction if they're stuck. As well as this, we do demonstrations for the sales departments, either online or offline.
So, Geoff, if I just bought one of your products and I wasn't 100% sure, would I be able to ring the help desk and someone be able to talk to me over the phone if I wasn't 100% competent?
Of course they can, yes. They will either speak to myself, or if I can't help them, one of my engineers will help them instead. We all have specialist areas. For instance, I've been here for 35 years, as I've just mentioned, so I can go back to some of the very early software that's nearly 60 years old.
So, in your view, how has engineering changed over your 35 years being here?
Oh, it's changed massively. I've seen lots of changes with the machine structures, the specifications on the machines, and I've seen machines come and go. You know, we've built some really specialist machines in the past.
So, Geoff, being here a long time, how have you enjoyed it over here?
I've enjoyed it immensely. Every day is different. I really enjoy problem solving for customers and the satisfaction that brings me.